Does your bank's loan portfolio include pricing and/or underwriting exceptions? The answer is probably yes if you're like most banks. Hi there, this is Jared Moyer with Bankers Compliance Consulting. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about those exceptions as well as invite you to an upcoming 2-hour webinar where we go through all of the latest hot topics, the guidance, the expectations that the regulators are expecting from you as you go forward and try to mitigate fair lending risk. So, fair lending and these exceptions. It's not that you can't have exceptions. The key to it's really quite simple. They have to be monitored and they have to be controlled. To do that, you have to know where these exceptions are coming from, where they're not coming from, as well as apply consistently the application of those exceptions. In other words, we can't just have one lender in the bank that's been there for 20 years and they're willing to make exceptions. And then we have a younger lender that maybe just started in the last year or so and they're a by-the-book lender. And then it's a matter of chance when an applicant walks into the door, how well they're going to be able to negotiate with either the 20-year lender or the brand new lender. Is that really fair that the 20-year lender is more willing to go off the beaten path when it comes to negotiating with something that would maybe be a pricing or an underwriting exception, as opposed to the brand new lender who is only going to do it by the book because they're afraid that if they don't go by the book, they might get in trouble and they've only been there a very short time. That doesn't quite seem fair. So exceptions, it's not that you can't have them, are they monitored and controlled? That's the expectation that the industry and the regulatory agencies would be looking for when they come into your organization the next time. If you're looking for more information on the risks that are at play when it comes to fair lending, how to mitigate them, the latest regulatory guidance and expectations, again, I want to invite you and your team to join us for an upcoming 2-hour presentation all about fair lending. Get registered today for the latest plain English translation in that area. Thanks.